On deck 4 is a self-service laundry. It is next to cabin for 111. It's free to use and it's auto dispense. Beautiful. I've got a lot of laundry to wash. So I mean, lots of dirty clothing. Go, pause you want to watch. So select your language. Washing machine has automatic soap dispensing. It's free to use. Remember the time. So there's a timer on them. Just remember to come back for your laundry. Incredible. Okay, this is the laundry. Room on deck 4 in Havila Capella on this ship. This is how we use the laundry. It's free to use, by the way, and the detergents are dispensed automatically. What's this wash? I have no idea what it means. Let's do the 60-minute wash. Okay, that helps. Cotton. So use that for languages. Choose cotton. Pour it on and stuff. There you go, dispensing. Easy. Back in 49 minutes. So let's just finish. Yep. Yeah. That doesn't come up. Okay, I'm an idiot. There's actually a door handle right there. Just trying to figure out where the door handle was. That was it. And load it on there. Don't forget to clean the air filter. Okay, so I'm done. Turn on. Come back in 35 minutes. There you go. Okay, so it's finished. Oh, in 30 minutes, it's really, really dry. Very impressive.